Hi guys, the Inkee Falcon Plus gimbal can now support the GoPro Media Mod, but it's not immediately obvious the correct way to actually secure it to the gimbal. Now you might assume you can use the normal GoPro plastic screw, but you'll find that there isn't enough clearance at the bottom of the actual Media Mod to be able to support it clearly. So what can you do? Well, stay tuned and I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. So rather than use the normal GoPro plastic screw that we all know, you need to use the little metal one that comes as part of the Inkee Falcon Plus gimbal. Now, hopefully you haven't actually thrown this one away like I almost did. Let me just show you what you need to do. Alright, so once you've put the actual special screw into the Media Mod, onto the gimbal, shall I say, just tighten it up with your hand, and then you can use the actual Allen key that's included as part of the Inkee Falcon Plus. Now, they actually do provide two Allen keys. One is the thin one, which is used to tighten up the little bolts at the back here, as you probably already found out. But it's also got this thick one, and I actually was, what is this for? But it's actually for tightening this special screw. So you just need to tighten it up on the actual gimbal, make sure it's nice and tight. And that's pretty much it. You now have the Media Mod attached to the Inkee Falcon Plus gimbal, and you can just go through and balance it in your normal way, and you should be good to go. Alright, well, I hope that's pretty much useful and it's helped some people out. Take care, and I shall see you soon on another video. Of course, don't forget to like the video and do the subscribe and all that good stuff. Alright, take care. See you soon, guys.